If your Form 1023 application is rejected by the IRS, do you know that there are certain situations where they will not give you your money back? Let's talk about it. Hello and welcome to my channel. Your story is your mission. My name is Beatrice Adams and thank you so much for tuning in here with me today. I just want to talk to you really quickly about that user fee. I just call it the application fee when you submit to the IRS your Form 1023 application. Well, let's talk about that because I wanted to let you know there are certain situations where you will not get your money back if your application is rejected. I know you can look online at the IRS.gov and it will say, oh yeah, we'll give you your money back. But at the end of those sentences, it has in parentheses, certain restrictions apply. I want to talk to you briefly about just a couple of, maybe 3 or 4 restrictions, right? So, forgive me for looking at my notes, but I have to do it. So this is something that's probably the easiest thing for someone to do when they're submitting their application. Say you forgot to actually pay the full fee. If you're doing the streamlined application, that's $275 to submit that to the IRS, but you only put in $27 because the system allows you to type the information in. It's not already pre-filled where you have to submit that amount. You have to type that in, so you have to be really careful to put in $275. So if you only put in $27, or say you put in $200, or you think I'm just going to pay $100 now and maybe a couple of weeks from now I'll pay the balance, the system is going to let you do that. Pay.gov, the system does not automatically check to make sure you're putting in the right fee. If you do not put that application fee in right, the system is going to take your application. The IRS is going to reject your application because you did not put the right amount in. And guess what? They are not going to refund you your money. They're just not going to do it. They're going to keep your fee. Also, I know that a lot of people would do this too. Say you submitted that application fee and you changed your mind. I don't think I want to do this. So you go in, you just hit that submit button and then you change your mind. You don't get your money back because you changed your mind, right? So I'm just telling you, the IRS is not going to give you your money back for that reason. It's a good reason, but once you hit that submit button, they're going to keep your fee. And they have their procedures that they follow, their guidelines as to what fees they keep, what fees they don't. So, and this is one of the ones. And also, let's say the IRS asks you for more information. They write you a letter because they're not going to call. 9 times out of 10, I've never gotten a call. There's a letter. If they're going to have a question, they're going to send you a letter. And you forget to respond to that letter because they needed more information. Well, because you didn't respond, the IRS rejects that, your application. Well, they're not going to give you your money back because you didn't respond. They're going to keep your money. So the bottom line is, just to sum it up, the IRS is only going to give you your money back, that application fee or user fee is what it's actually called. They're only going to give you that back if they made a mistake. But if you made a mistake, I just mentioned, if they ask you for more information and you don't respond, or if you put in the user fee wrong, or you changed your mind, sorry, they're not going to give you your money back. And I just wanted to make sure that I let you all know that, so that when you apply for your 501c3 tax-exempt status, you will make sure you're doing everything as correctly as you can, so that if there is a reason where that you're declined, you should not be. But if there's a reason that if that happens, I just wanted you to know, don't let it be because it's your fault. Let it be the IRS's fault. I can guarantee you, they're probably not going to make a mistake. So the mistake's going to be on your end. So make sure you do everything that I've outlined in this video and don't make any mistakes. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to this video, to my channel, excuse me, and I will see you in the next video.